Creating premium brand product mockups is now fast and easy with the help of AI tools without needing complex design software. Start by opening your browser and searching for Mockup AI, then open the website and navigate to the mockup section. From there, go to the packaging category and select the pouch option, where you'll find a wide variety of professional mockup styles. Choose a pouch mockup that matches your brand's look and feel, then upload your product design, such as a chocolate packaging design or any branding artwork you want to present professionally. After uploading, adjust the design placement so it fits naturally on the pouch, ensuring proper alignment and realistic presentation. You can also customize the mockup by changing colors to better match your brand identity and create a premium visual appearance. Once everything looks clean and polished, preview the mockup to check the final result. When you're satisfied, simply click the download button to save your high-quality product mockup. This simple AI workflow allows brands, e-commerce sellers, and creators to produce premium marketing visuals quickly and efficiently, making professional product presentation accessible to everyone.